How are you guys? I'd love to present you today a filter which we developed special for commercial editing. This LUT is going to make your raw footages ready for production. And with this filter you can do that using your mobile phone with VN Editor app. By the way, you also can use it on your computer in any video editor you got. Like Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro or any other ones. First step to get this LUT for free is looking for a password which appears twice in the top right corner during the video. Second, you should follow the link which is down below this video, in the description. Or, you can go directly to our website which is presetstore.com. Find this LUT. Open the page with the LUT. Click download the LUT button. Write the password from this video and click apply button. Wait for some time. And download the LUT. We got the filter. What next? Next we need to run our VN Editor app and apply this filter. Open VN, select your media content, tap Filter tab on the bottom navigation panel, tap Add button and import the filter from File app. Find our filter here and tap on it. As you can see the filter is right over here now. Let's tap on it and see what we got. Fine, the filter is working. Next we gotta correct our media by intensity and adjust settings, cause any media is different, and sometimes just applying a filter is not enough. In this step I would suggest you to play with these settings to get the best result for your case. Let's see what we can do with this media. I think it looks very nice. Let's repeat the previous actions for other media and look at the final result. Guys, look at these professional shots that we got. Let us know what result you got. Are your shots got any better? Leave a thumb up to appreciate our work. Check out our channel and the website, presetstore.com. We got the biggest collection of Lightroom presets and video LUTs there. Have a great editing. Stay in touch.